Losing 20 pounds of fat is a common goal, but the time it takes depends on several factors. Generally, a safe and sustainable rate of weight loss is 1 to 2 pounds per week. This means it could take anywhere from 10 to 20 weeks to lose 20 pounds. However, your starting weight, diet, exercise routine, and metabolism all play a role. For example, someone with a higher initial weight may lose fat faster initially, while others might need more time. Consistency is key. Focus on creating a calorie deficit through balanced eating and regular physical activity. To achieve this goal, start by making small, manageable changes to your lifestyle. Incorporate nutrient-dense foods like vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains while reducing processed foods and sugary drinks. Pair this with a mix of cardio and strength training exercises to boost fat loss and preserve muscle. Remember, crash diets or extreme measures might lead to quick results, but they're often unsustainable and can harm your health. Instead, aim for gradual progress and celebrate small victories along the way. Lastly, patience and self-compassion are essential. Weight loss isn't linear, and there may be weeks where progress slows. Stay focused on your long-term health and well-being rather than just the number on the scale. With dedication and the right approach, losing 20 pounds of fat is absolutely achievable. Click the link in the description to find my top 10 weight loss supplements.